The future of work is automated. Welcome to Aivora.
Forget spending thousands on coding bootcamps. The real shortcut to Python certification is strategic signaling. Here's what I found. Coursera offers 4 Powerhouse certifications that recruiters actually recognize. Let me show you which one fits your career. But not all Python certs carry the same weight. There are 3 tiers: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Pick the wrong one and you waste months. Pick the right one and your resume gets noticed. So let's break down each tier. So start with the Google IT Automation with Python Professional Certificate. This is perfect for beginners. It covers Python basics, automation scripts, Git, and debugging. You'll build real projects like a file upload script. No fluff. But what makes it different? Every module ends with a hands-on project. You write an actual script that automates a task. By the end you have a portfolio piece. That's smarter than memorizing syntax for a multiple-choice test. So next up, IBM's Data Science Professional Certificate. This is intermediate level. You dive into Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and machine learning with scikit-learn. The truth is, this cert is gold if you want a data analyst job. But here's the catch: you need basic statistics before starting. Standard deviation, p-values, correlation. If you skipped stats in college, you'll struggle. So I recommend taking a free statistics refresher first. Don't skip this step. So let me introduce the third option, University of Michigan's Python for Everybody Specialization. Created by Dr. Charles Severance. This is the most famous Python course on earth. Over 4 million learners have taken it. It's pure fundamentals. But here's what I found: it's very theory-heavy. Lots of lectures, less hands-on building. You'll understand Python deeply, but you won't have a polished project for your portfolio. So pair it with a separate project to show off. So the fourth cert is Meta's Python Programming Professional Certificate. This one focuses on backend development. You'll learn Django, Flask, API design, and database integration. If you want to build web apps, this is your best bet. But how do you choose between them? Ask yourself one question: what's your goal? Automation? Pick Google. Data analysis? Pick IBM. Deep theory? Pick Michigan. Web development? Pick Meta. The wrong choice wastes your time. So let me show you the cost. Coursera charges $49 per month for a subscription. That gives you unlimited access to all specializations. You can also audit any course for free, no certificate, but full content. Smart strategy: audit then subscribe for the cert. But is the certificate extra? No. The subscription includes the certificate. You complete the assignments, pay $49 that month, and download your credential. No hidden fees. That's cheaper than a single CompTIA exam. So the truth is, do recruiters care? Yes, but only as a signal. A certification alone won't land you a job. But it proves you can complete structured work. Combined with a portfolio, it becomes a strong differentiator. Don't rely on it alone. But here's the kicker: pair your certification with a GitHub portfolio of real projects. After earning the Google Cert, upload your automation scripts to GitHub. After IBM Cert, publish your data analysis notebooks. That's what gets you hired. So how long does each take? Google Cert, about 6 months at 10 hours per week. IBM's, around 11 months at 10 hours. Michigan's, 8 months. Meta's, 5 months. But those estimates are conservative. You can accelerate if you focus. But you can accelerate. I finished the Google Cert in 3 months by dedicating every weekend. Saturday and Sunday, 5 hours each day. That's 120 hours total. The material isn't hard, it's the consistency that matters. Block your calendar. So what about exams? None of these have proctored exams. You complete graded assignments and quizzes. That's good, less stress. But it also means the certificate is easier to earn. Some hiring managers know this. So your project quality matters more. If you're into Python and want a structured path to certification, hit subscribe. I'm breaking down every step, from choosing the right cert to building a portfolio that gets you hired. Don't miss the next video in this series. But before you go, remember this: the certification is a tool, not a trophy. Don't frame it on your wall and stop. Use it as a launchpad to build projects, contribute to open source, and network. The cert opens doors, your skills keep them open. So here's the cliffhanger: which one of these 4 certification is actually best for your first job? I'll tell you in the next video, with data from real job postings and interviews with hiring managers. Click the card to watch now.